Ladies and gentlemen, T-Bird trading in unique class. How are you, T-Bird? Lanesborough horse fair, folks. Huh? Sun shining, great day. Just have a look at our stall here now today. Beautiful lighters there going at 750, filled up and everything. Nice range of unique class there now. Dog show on. Big crowds on the street here now today. Nobody's spending any money though. Hard to make a few shillings these days. The Bocalines doing their job. T-Bird and Unique on the road. Stocking belts, wallets, lighters, you name it. They charge a €50 for the video. Huh? Just a little sample of what we have here on display. Variety of bags there now.